Righto guys, so we're out on a bit of an errand on Whiskey. Just thought I'd come into the main bloody drag at Bendigo. This is the town bloody centre we're coming into. It's a busy old town these days. I don't know what the population is now, most probably about 120 k's an hour. How you going? Oh, there they go. They're putting up the bloody Christmas trees. Actually, what I might do is I'll come down this way. The old Alexander fountain. So most of you guys know that Bendigo's heritage is the gold. George Lancel, which there's a monument in here of him. He was one of the big wigs with the old gold and did a lot of these, the old big infrastructure. Green arrow. Beautiful. Watch out for truck coming through. That's the mall down there. Eight Sisters Cafe and Grill. Bit of a crazy mural on the bloody side of that one. Now this used to be an old building over here, but what they actually did was they encased it. They couldn't do anything to the old stuff, so instead they built a new structure around it. So this is the Castlemaine, the Castlemaine, the bloody the Bendigo train station. All the people waiting to be picked up. Obviously they have the buses here as well. And then that over there is the big marketplace, big mall. See if we can just get around this guy here. And these are the parts that I like. You know, all the old buildings and stuff. So yeah, that's the marketplace. We've got underground parking. Oh, in actual fact, I should have just bloody went in there actually. Why not? I'm on Whiskey. Might be a cool look. You've got to be quiet with the throttle. It should echo big time in here. Hey, this is where to park on the bloody cold, on the hot days. Nice and cool underneath here. But it gets pretty busy. I just find it's easier, just park up the top, get in, get out. Whenever I'm in places like this, I'm constantly waiting for some kid to jump out. Tupa! That's that whole, you know, defensive driving. It's good coming in here, not that I do it very often, but, you know, late at night when there's bugger all, kind of like get a little bit of bit more speed up. Not that, yeah, I'll go, you know, I'm not talking illegal speed. Stuffing around, I've got to go get me bloody do me errand. Oh, bugger this. Righto, back roads, here we go. So the rule is, every time you see a street, you've got to bloody turn. Here we go. Here's one. Down the gears, round you go. Boom. There's another bloody street. go. Oh, we've got to stop. Street, we've got to turn again. Take a little bit. Don't make excessive noise because that is the police station. Oh, they finally fixed their building. Their building was looking so shit. It was falling. Some of those panels were falling apart. It's not that old, you know. So good to see they fixed it. Righto. Now, in Victoria, we are allowed to do this. Find ourselves a nice, shady little bloody park. Blinker off. Brilliant. I'll be back. Rightio, guys. So we are back. We are done. Righto. Let's get out of here.